Good. And all the way back to the line. Okay, and everyone have a chance to go? Right? Okay, so this time we're going to be really, really quiet. You guys are too loud this time. I don't want to hear you landing. None of this, right? We're going to go like this, nice and quiet. In each circle, okay? What do you think? All right, Megan. Let's go. Ready? Nice and quiet. Nice and quiet. Never, Megan. Go on. Good. Nice and quiet. Nice and quiet, guys. Can you come up here a little bit? Come on, Reese. Riley. Good, Diana. Better, nice and quiet. Beautiful. And we're going to hands. There we go. Good. Okay, Reese. Go all the way to the back of the line, though. Good, Reese. Keep going. Nice and quiet. Good, sweetheart. Beautiful. Get those toes pointed. Get those toes. Good. Good arms. Like this. There you go. All the way to the back of the line. Good job, sweetheart. Okay, Riley. You keep it nice and quiet. You don't want to hear you land, right? Quiet. Better. Much better. Good job. Good, sweetheart. And all the way to the back of the line. Okay, Katie. Good. Beautiful. And to the back of the line. Okay, last one. Good. Okay. Girls, can you come over here, please? Good, Michaela. Beautiful. Girls, Katie, Riley, over here, please. So we're going to leave those ones there. Okay, Riley? You stand up for a minute, girls? Riley. On your toes, please, Riley. On your feet. We're going to jump over these, okay? All right, you go first, okay? We're going to go over this time. You have to stand here and wait for just a minute, okay?
Daddy's behind you.
We leave them on the ground, though, those ones. Can we keep that one down, though, Riley? Thank you for helping. Okay. All right.
This is for
So this time we're going to jump over them, right? Like it's a big puddle. Here, one, can you line up? Can you line Riley there? There we go. So we're going to jump over the circle, right? Jump over it like it's a big puddle. Jump, 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 jump. Right? Let's see, Riley. Big, run, jump. Good, Riley. Jump over the circle. Where's the big jump? Over the puddle, right? Careful, we have to let everybody have a turn. Jump, jump, jump. We have to jump over the puddle, right? Jump over it. Good, and to the back of the line. Okay. Only one time, right? Thank you. Okay, Reese. You're running. Can we jump? Run, jump. Good, sweetheart. Beautiful. Over the puddle. Don't step in the puddle. Good. Okay, Katie, you want to go with me? Good, ready? And jump. Good. Jump. Beautiful. And jump over. Good, sweetheart. Jump. Big jump, big jump. Good. Beautiful. Okay, ready? Jump yourself. Okay, let's jump in the puddle. Run, jump. Good, Megan. Keep going. All the way around the circle. Riley. Good, Megan. Beautiful. Big jump. Run, jump. And jump. Jump, jump, jump. Good. Okay, did everybody go? Did you ready? You didn't go, right? Did you go?
No.
You didn't go to these ones? Okay. Girls, nice and quiet, right? You guys need to go, right? Should we go? Good. Jump, jump, jump. Over the middle. beautiful. There we go. Okay. Good. They all have one scarf. Let's see. Okay, you guys, everybody has your scarf? Okay, if you come over here then.
Why do you guys two stars?
All right.